Zopa AI Loan Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get online lending wrong. They assume approval is slow and rates are high. The surprising truth about Zopa AI Loan is how AI streamlines credit decisions, and you won't believe how quickly qualified borrowers can access funds. Here's how it works. Zopa is a digital lending platform using AI-driven algorithms to evaluate loan applications. Borrowers can apply online, receive instant eligibility checks, and access funds if approved, all without visiting a branch. For example, a borrower seeking a personal loan for home improvements can submit their details, get an AI-based risk assessment within minutes, and see competitive interest rates. Most people get this wrong. They assume traditional credit checks take days, but Zopa's AI accelerates decision-making while maintaining safety and compliance. Additional features include flexible repayment terms, transparent fees, and credit score monitoring tools. The platform also provides guidance for borrowers to improve financial health. However, there are considerations. Approval is based on creditworthiness and risk modeling, and rates vary with borrower profile. Most people assume AI eliminates all risk. It doesn't, so responsible borrowing is essential. In conclusion, Zopa AI Loan is ideal for individuals seeking fast, digital, and reliable personal loans. Its AI-driven approach simplifies lending while offering transparency and convenience. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of fintech and online lending platforms.